In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the calendar feature in Outlook, whether you're accessing it through the web or the desktop application. Now, this powerful tool can help you stay organized, manage your time efficiently, and keep track of all your appointments and events seamlessly. To begin with, let's make sure you have your Outlook application open. Depending on your setup, this might be the web version or the desktop application. Once you're all set, let's focus on the first key action. You'll want to identify and click on the calendar icon. Now, this icon is strategically placed either at the bottom of your screen or within the side menu bar. It's a simple yet crucial step that acts as your gateway to a world of efficient scheduling. Clicking on this icon will open up your calendar view, presenting you with a comprehensive overview of your day, week, or month depending on your preferences. Now, with your calendar open, you're centrally placed to manage your personal and professional commitments. Whether you want to visualize your upcoming schedule or perhaps you have new appointments to add, everything is right at the tip of your fingers. If you already have events listed, this display provides an instant snapshot, ensuring that no meetings or deadlines are overlooked. Planning ahead can be a breeze as you can effortlessly scan through your commitments. For those moments when you need to create a new appointment or event, the process is straightforward. Simply navigate through the options available in the calendar interface. You can click on any date or time slot directly within your calendar grid to initiate the creation of a new event or appointment. A detailed form usually appears, prompting you to fill in vital details such as the event title, description, location, and invitees. Having these fields allows you not only to schedule an event but to provide a comprehensive outline, ensuring all participants are well informed and prepared. Remember to set your notifications to alert you before an event begins, making sure you're always on time. Be sure that you're also making use of color coding features and categorization for different events. This can add visual clarity, helping you differentiate between personal, work, or any other specific commitments with just a glance. By customizing your calendar view to suit your needs, you enhance your ability to manage time effectively. And there you have it. With the steps you've learned today, you are now equipped to effortlessly view and manage your appointments and events using your Outlook calendar. Whether you're planning for the upcoming week or coordinating with colleagues for work meetings, you have a reliable, organized system at your disposal. So go ahead, start making the most of your Outlook experience today and transform the way you keep track of your busy schedule.